Alrighty, in this one, it's going to be a quick one. We are going to use the Pythagorean theorem and its converse to prove a triangle is in fact a right triangle. And this kind of a question is almost always on every standardized test, so it's a quick and easy way to get that score up. Okay, so we have to prove if this is a right triangle or not. And the way we're going to do that is to see if the Pythagorean theorem is true. So first thing, as always, establish your right angle. Figure out which side is C. So this is going to be 15 squared here. And then plug in an A and a B. It doesn't matter which one's which. 12 squared plus 10 squared. Okay, so we are going to now solve this out. 12 squared is 144. 10 squared is 100. And 15 squared is 225. So you're going to add these two together on this side, which is 244. This side is 225. Is that a true statement? 244 equals 225. Nope, it's not. So this is not a right triangle. It's usually a yes or no question, but this is how you prove it. All right, here's another example. So again, first step, you need to establish C. Okay, we have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Plug in your numbers. All right, we have 36 plus 64 equals 100. Now we're going to add 36 and 64, which is 100 equals 100. Is that a true statement? Yep. So this is in fact a right triangle. Miss you guys. That's all we got. It's a quick way to show either no, it's not, because they don't work out to be equal, or yes, it is. Okay, that's all we got.